Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard max class. The last class we have discussed factorization using synthetic division method. In this class, we are going to see about to find the GCD by factorization. Okay. Exercise 3.9. The first question: find the GCD for the following. Okay. The first subdivision is p power 5, p power 11, and p power 9. The solution: consider the given factors p power 5, p power 11 and p power 9. Okay, so write one by one. P power 5 is equal to, so consider all the factors. This is for p power 5, this is p power 11, this is p power 9. Which one is the least? P power 5 is the common factor, also least. So this can be right 1 into p power 5. 1 is the factor of every polynomial. Okay, then the p power 11 can be right 1 is the common factor, 1 into p power 5 into p power 6. The 11 can be split 5 plus 6. Okay, 1 into p power 5 into p power 6. Using exponential rule, we get p power 11. Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11. Have you understood? Then the p power 9 can be right 1 into p power 5 into p power, so remaining is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, therefore GCD of p power 5, p power 11, p power 9, okay, which is equal to, so common divisor, greatest common divisor. Okay, the common divisors are here 1 and also here p power 5. Okay, that's all, which is equal to the common factors only taken right, because common divisor, greatest common divisor. Here appear only one common divisor, so this is the greatest common divisor. So 1 into p power 5 is p power 5. That's all. This is the GCD of given factors. Okay, then the second subdivision is 4x cube, y cube, z cube. 3 factors are given. The solution: first write the 4x cube. Consider all the one, so no one common terms exist, because this is x, this is y, this is z. Okay, therefore the 4x cube can be right 1 into 4x cube, because already I told 1 is the common factor of all the factors. Okay, so y cube can be right 1 into y cube, is it or not? Okay, z cube is equal to 1 into z cube. Okay, therefore GCD of 4x cube, y cube, z cube equal to, the common factor is 1. This is the greatest common factor. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, next third subdivision: 9a square, b square, c cube. Then second factor 15a cube, b square, c power 4. The solution: okay, first write the first factor 9a square, b square, c cube, which is equal to, okay, here is coefficient of the variable is exists. So first find the prime factors. Okay, so this is given 9. Using the prime factors method, this is already known, using only the prime numbers. Okay, so 3. So 2 does not be divide, exactly divide 9. Okay, next select the 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Then 3, 1 3s are 3. 1 is neither prime nor a composite. Okay, so don't use 1. Okay, so the 9 can be right 3 into 3. In the next factor is 15a cube, b square, c power 4, which is equal to, so now find the prime factor of 15. This is 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Then 5 is the prime factor, so 1 5s are 5. So 15 can be right 3 into 5. Okay, next compare both the variable. This is a square, this is a cube. Okay, so the a square can be right a square, the a cube can be right a squared into a. Okay, then b square, so b square into b square. This is no need to split. Then c cube, here c power 4. So write c cube, here write c cube into c. Okay. Therefore, GCD of 9a square, b square, c cube, comma 15a cube, b square, c power 4 equal to the common factor of, consider first the numerical term, 3, 3, this is the common. Then 3, 5, this is not a common. Next consider the variable a square, a square, a square is the common. Then b square, here b square, so b square also common. Then c cube, this is also common. Remaining terms are is not pair. Okay, that's all. Therefore, this is a GCD of given factor. Okay. Next, the fifth question. This is for a b square c cube, then a square b cube c, then a cube b c square. Okay, this is your fifth question. Solution: the first factor a b square c cube equal to, okay, compare three factors. So a, here a square, here a cube, this is the least value, so a into, next consider the b square, here b square, b cube, here b, so b is the least one, so the b squared can be write b into b. Then the c cube, consider the c value, c cube, c, c square, c is the least, so c cube can be write c into c. Okay, then the second value a square b cube c, which is equal to a square, consider a is the least already known, so a squared can be write a into a. Then b cube, so b is the least value, so b cube can be write b into b. And c is the least, so that's all. Next, write the third factor a cube b into c square, which is equal to a is a least value, so a cube can be write a into a. Okay, then b is the least value, only value, then c squared can be write c into c. Okay, therefore GCD of a into b squared c cube, comma a square b cube c, a cube b c square equal to, here a is the common factor, then b, a only term, then b, compare all the b's, so 1, this is 1, this one, b is the common factor. Next consider the c value, c is the common term, so remaining terms are not b pair. Okay, so that's all. Therefore GCD of the given factor is a b c. Okay, next seventh question, 25a b cube c, 100 a squared b c, 125 a b. The solution: so 25 a b cube c, which is equal to, using the prime factorization, 25, so 5 5's are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Then 100, the second one is 100, so using the prime factor is 2, 52's are 100, once again 2 is 25 2's are 50, then 5 5's are 25, then 5 ones are 5. Next consider the 125. The 125 can be right, this is 5, so 25 5's are 125, then 5 5's are 25, then 5 ones are 5. Okay, so the 25 a b cube c can be right, 25 factors are 5 into 5, then a into b cube can be right, b into b into c. Okay, then 100 a squared bc equal to, 100 can be right, this is the factors of 100, so 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into a and then b into c, because bc. Next consider the 125AB, which is equal to 125 can be right 5 into 5 into 5 into A into B. Okay, therefore GCD of 25 AB cube C 100 A square BC 125 AB equal to, so common terms, let's consider 5, then here also 5, then 5, so 5 is the common factor. Then consider the another 5 is the common factor. Then A, so making the circle, because easily you analyze the common factor. Okay, so A, and B is the common factor. Here also B, so B is the common factor. Then C, but the last term does not have B. Okay, therefore GCD is equal to 5 is 25 and A into B, AB. That's all. Have you understood? Okay. In this manner, you do the remaining sum from the first question. Okay. Okay. Next, second question. Find the GCD of the following. First subdivision, the factor 2x plus 5. Second factor 5x plus 2. The solution. So GCD of 2x plus 5 and 5x plus 2 equal to, so compare both the factors. So no one common terms are exist. Okay, therefore the GCD of these two factors is 1, because 1 is the common factor of all the terms. Okay, that's all the answer of first question. Okay, the second subdivision, a power m plus 1, a power m plus 2, a power m plus 3. The solution, a power m plus 1 equal to 1 into a power m plus 1. Is it or not? Then a power m plus 2 equal to 1 into a power m plus 1 plus 1. Is it or not? Because 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to 1 into a power m plus 1 into a power 1 using the exponential rule. Okay. In the same manner, a power m plus 3 equal to 1 into a power m plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, which is equal to 1 into a power m plus 1 into a power 2. Okay, a power 2 using exponential rule. Therefore, GCD of a power m plus 1, a power m plus 2, a power m plus 3 equal to, the common factors are 1 into, then comparing the factors, a power m plus 1, here a power m plus 1, here also a power m plus 1, a power m plus 1, that's all. So comparing the second and third, this is second term has a power 1, third term a power 2. Here does not be exist any a. Therefore, that's all the common factors. Therefore, 1 into this term is a power m plus 1. This is a GCD of given factors. Have you understood? Okay. Next, sixth subdivision, solution a cube minus 9ax square, which is equal to, compare both the term. So a cube, here a. So a is the common term. Taking outside remaining, we get a square minus 9 into x square. Okay, this is equal to a into, this is a square minus 9 can be right 3 x the whole square. 9x squared can be right 3x the whole square, because 3 squared is 9, x squared is x square. Okay, now we get the a square minus 3x square. Okay, this is look like a square minus b square. So using the formula a plus b, a minus b, is it or not? So a is a, then b is a 3x. Okay, that's all the factors. Next, consider the second term, a minus 3x the whole square. Okay, which is equal to, this can be right a minus 3x into a minus 3x. So 2 times of a minus 3x. Okay, therefore GCD is equal to, compare both the result, a here does not be appear, Okay, a plus 3x, here a plus 3x is not be there. Okay, then a minus 3x, here a minus 3x. So a minus 3x is the common factor. Okay, that's all the GCD of given two terms. Have understood? So remaining questions are your homework. Okay, dear students, today's homework book page numbers 114 and 115. Example 3.41. Exercise 3.9. Question number 1. 4th subdivision, 6th subdivision and 8th subdivision. Second question, 3rd subdivision and 4th subdivision. That's all today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.